the Factoring Regulation Act of 2011 was enacted in 2011 because MSMEs were struggling to have their payments done in time. In order to address the delay which MSMEs were suffering, because of which liquidity problems were arising, it was necessary to pass the bill on factoring regulation, and that is how the Factoring Regulation Act came into being. And if that is the intent, liquidity for small-scale industries through factoring process can be enabled, and also making a provision for registration of factor which can do business in factoring, and also to regulate the assignment of receivables to factors were the primary consideration why Factoring Regulation Bill was passed in 2011. Now, we are trying to come with some amendments to the bill, and the amendments are direct result of the recommendation of the UK Sinha Committee. The UK Sinha Committee had gone into the difficulties post the factoring bills coming into act, and when the act was implemented, even then there were certain difficulties which the UK Sinha Committee looked into, and based on their recommendations, the amendment bill is what is being brought in. Honorable members will know that in September 2020, in fact on 24th September 2020, I had introduced the bill in this very house, and then the bill was sent to I had introduced it on 14th September, and on 24th September the bill was sent to the Standing Committee. The Standing Committee's recommendations have come in 3rd February 2021. All the recommendations of the Standing Committee have been accepted by the government. The recommendations were one legislative recommendation. The other 8 are all non-legislative amendments which the Standing Committee has desired. Now, therefore, what we are coming up now, accepting the Standing Committee's recommendation, there are 3 amendments to the existing Act and 1 which is an insertion to the section 19(1)(a). This in short will capture all that we are trying to do. This will enable that the TREADS platform through which the MSMEs are got to be getting some discounts are also taken on board, and therefore this is a very important bill which, if passed with amendments as suggested by the Standing Committee, MSMEs will be benefited, and because MSMEs will be benefited, I appeal to the whole House to consider and pass this amendments, 3 amendments and 1 insertion. Thank you, Madam.